So this is part 284C3M1B7C8E13C9C6D3P38D5. And it's line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d5 copper alloys aquaculture mesh UFO 5G Wow Seti. So here's our alien radio signal here. And this talks about mesh crystals, a UFO engine power and long-distance signal device from deep space to Earth, with copper alloys and aquaculture being part of the formulas. We have more bendable metal formulas in the next 30 or so videos. It was 30 videos. It's probably about 75 actually. There. After this one, cross-reference the data for vapor and mesh wow formulas line 1 to 27 with this particular video. Okay, so February 18, 2013, today's the 24th. So I'm going to look up our keywords copper alloys and put water molecules with it. I want to see what comes up, and this is what came up. So we know when I get looking at these later. So copper alloys and aquaculture is what came up from previous videos. So the original keywords are from line 22, F1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p38d4. Discretization variables vapor formula UFO 5G Wow Seti. Again, at the very end, we'll be doing a cross-reference on the word vapor. So I've tried to put the word vapor in every single video that talks about the long-distance communication device that seems to be coming up in this data. So quotes from wiki. Recently, copper alloys have become important netting materials in aquaculture, the farming of aquatic organisms, including fish farming. Various other materials, including nylon, polyester, polypropylene, polyethylene, and plastic-coated welded wire rubber, patented twine products. Spectra dyneema and galvanized steel are also used for netting in aquaculture fish enclosures around the world. All of these materials are selected for a variety of reasons, including design, feasibility, material strength, cost, and corrosion resistance. What sets copper alloys apart from the other materials used in the fish farming is that copper alloys are antimicrobial. That is, they destroy bacteria, viruses, fungi, algae, and other microbes. For information about the antimicrobial properties of copper, hey, if we could, this is a, oh, wait a second. Woohoo. Okay, let's do my thoughts here, because Lindy just had some more thoughts. We can use copper alloys to purify our water of any virus or bacteria. Will it kill E. coli? One of the things we seem to have a problem with our drinking water is E. coli. I'm going to look that up. E. coli, and we want copper alloys, right? Because that's something we seem to have a big problem with in our lakes here in Canada. And, you know, if there was a way to, like, filter it and use it here on Earth as well as up in space, right? Okay, so, I better date that so I remember when I had the thought. This is good because I've been working on this for, what, a year now? So next year when I get maybe line 23, if we're lucky, I can go back and see what my thoughts were last year. Okay, so for information about the antimicrobial properties of copper and its alloys, see antimicrobial properties of copper and antimicrobial copper alloy touch surfaces. In addition to their anti-fouling benefits, copper alloys have strong structural and corrosion-resistant properties in marine environments. It is the combination of all these properties, anti-fouling, high strength, and corrosion resistance, that has made copper alloys a desirable metal for such marine applications as condenser tubing, water intake screens, ship hulls, offshore structure, and sheathing. In the past 25 years or so, the benefits of copper alloys have caught the attention of the marine aquaculture industry. The industry is now actively deploying copper alloy netting and structural materials in commercial large-scale fish farming operations around the world. And we have a deep sea diver here, and there's the copper alloy pen, which looks like a mesh to me, right? It has been deployed on a fish farm at the depth of 14 feet for 1 year, showing no signs of biofouling. So it lasted for a year so far. There's no biofouling on a copper alloy mesh after 4 months immersed in the waters of the North Atlantic foreground, whereas hydroids have grown on high-density polyethylene tubing background. My thoughts: biofouling plus copper alloys plus aquaculture plus mesh plus water vapor. See high-density polyethylene next video for bendable metals. Used on UFO spaceship for long-distance water vapor device. Won't rust and gives strong frequency for long-distance signals from Kepler to Earth. See WOW's formulas from lines 1 to 27, and we'll cross-reference the words vapor and mesh when we get there. The mesh will also be used in the bendable metals, graphite film, new inventions and superalloys. Formulas coming up in the next 30 videos or more, because there's like 75 of them. After this one, in line 22's WOW data. Keyword high density polyethylene will be in the next video. Thanks for watching.